I am going to check on the kids. I hope they are playing nicely inside. Oh my goodness! What happened in here? I cannot believe my eyes!
Hi, Mom! Look at my tower! I used every single block in the box.
Jimmy!
Ah!
Amy! This room is a disaster! I cannot see the floor at all!
Sorry, Mom. We were playing Toy City and it got a little bit messy. It is not messy. It is colorful. I like it this way very much. Look at all my toys! Ah! I am making a big rain of colors in the room today. Oh no, Jimmy! Look at this big mess! There are toys on the floor everywhere. It's not that bad. It is not a mess, Emmy. It is my special bear castle. Do you like it? I do, Jimmy. I cannot walk in here. There are cars and blocks and books all over the carpet.
Oh my goodness! I cannot believe my eyes! This room is very messy right now.
I was just playing, Mom. I did not know it was getting so messy in here.
We must be careful where we step. It is not safe to have toys on the floor.
You are right, Mom. We need to clean this up before someone falls and gets hurt.
Oh, I have a fun game for us. We will see if we can beat the timer today.
I like games. Is it a race? I am very fast at running and playing games.
Yes, it is a race. We have 10 minutes to make this room shiny and clean.
I am ready for the challenge. I will be the captain of the cleaning team today. I want to be on the team too. Tell me what to do, Captain EMI. To be on the team, you need to find the treasure. Come with me.
Ready, set, go! The timer is ticking now. Let us start cleaning the floor first.
First, we will pick up the blocks. Jimmy, you get the blue ones. I get red. Yes, Captain. I am getting the blue blocks right now. Watch me go very fast. Yes! Hurry up, Jimmy. One blue block goes in the box. Click, clack. It makes a nice sound when it falls. I am putting the red blocks in carefully. We must make sure they fit in the box.
Look at me now. I found 3 blue blocks. The box is getting full very fast. You are doing a great job. Oh, the floor is starting to look much better already.
The blocks are all done. The lid goes click. That is a very satisfying sound. Vroom, vroom. This car is driving into the garage. The garage is the toy box. The truck goes next to the car. They are sleeping in the garage for the night.
Do not forget that green car. It is hiding under the chair, all by itself.
I got you, little car. You cannot hide from the super cleanup team today. Now we must fix the books. Big books go in the back. Small books in front.
This book is very heavy. It is about dinosaurs. I will put it right here. Look at the straight line. It looks very neat. I like seeing the books happy.
I will.
Who left this little bear here? He needs a hug and a safe place.
Save him. I will put him on my bed with the other soft friends.
Oh, okay.
Sit here, bears. You can watch us clean the room. Do not make a mess. Here is a cloud pillow for them. It looks very cozy and soft on the bed.
We must throw away the trash, too. This paper is crinkled and old. Into the bin.
I found some trash, too. It goes in the trash can. Goodbye, old candy wrapper. We can see the rug again. It is blue and has white stars on it. Look at this spin. It goes round and round. I forgot I had this cool toy. Jimmy! Stop playing now. The timer is still ticking. We have to finish the job.
5 minutes left, team. We still have to wipe the table and put away the crayons.
Oh no! Only 5 minutes? Oh! I will stop spinning. Oh! I will clean the table now. Help me put the crayons in the box. We must match the colors if we can. I am putting them in fast. I like the sound they make. Click, click, click.
I will wipe the dust away. Swipe, swipe. Now the table is shiny and clean again.
The crayons are sleeping now. Good night, crayons. See you tomorrow for more coloring fun. I missed a spot. There was some blue dust here. Now it is all gone.
Perfect. The table is ready for drawing next time. You are working very hard. 1 minute left. Look around. Is there anything else on the floor? Check everywhere.
I see a sock. A lonely red sock under the sofa. I will get it. Got it. I have the sock. I will put it in the laundry basket fast. I am fixing the window. The sun looks better when the curtains are nice and straight.
10, 9, 8. Hurry up, team. We are almost at the finish line.
I am done. My hands are empty. The floor is empty. We did it. We finished. The room looks beautiful. It feels calm and happy in here now.
Ding, ding, ding. Time is up. And just in time, you beat the clock.
Yay! We are the champions! The Super Cleanup Team won the game! Ah!
I am so proud of you. You worked together and did a wonderful job. Sit down with me. The rug is soft and clean. It is nice to sit here.
I like a clean room. It makes my brain feel quiet and happy too. I can roll all the way across. No toys are poking my back. This is fun! Whee!
Because you did such a good job, I have a special prize for you.
Stickers! Is that a gold star? I love gold stars. They are for winners. Wow!
1 gold star for Jimmy. You were very fast and you cleaned up the blocks. And 1 gold star for Captain Emmy. You organized the books and the crayons perfectly.
Thank you, Mom. I will keep this star on my shirt all day long. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. Can we go have a snack now? Cleaning makes me very hungry for apples.
Yes. Yes. Let's go to the kitchen for apples and peanut butter. You earned it.
Goodbye, clean room. Stay nice and tidy for us until tomorrow.
Here are your apple slices. They are crunchy and sweet. Enjoy your snack, my helpers. Crunch!
This apple is delicious. I like cleaning day if we get apples after.
Next time, we can clean the kitchen. We are the super team and we can clean anything. Maybe tomorrow. For now, let's just enjoy our clean house and our nice snack. Ah!
Cheers to the cleanup team. Clink! My glass made a sound against yours. You have milk on your lip, Jimmy. Now we have to clean your face.
There. All clean. No more mess today. Not in the room and not on faces.
Thank you for helping us clean today. It was hard work. But it was fun. Yeah.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
We will see you in the next video.